Hi friends, I want to give a warm welcome to the new subscribers. I prefer using Granny Smith apples to caramelize because they are firm, sour, and keep their shape. When cooked, they turn sweet. As always, I like to be safe in the kitchen, so I cut the bottom and top of the apple before coring and peeling. That happens to me every once in a while. I pull out the cutter and the core of the apple stays inside. Using a potato peeler is faster and I don't waste any apple. Now the apple is really stable on the cutting board and it's much easier and safer to slice, as you can see. On a hot pan I put a tablespoon of butter, and when it's bubbly I add a teaspoon of sugar. When the sugar starts to melt, I add the apple slices to the pan. They are about a quarter of an inch thick. They won't fall apart when cooked when they're that thick. I caramelize them for about 5 minutes on each side on medium-low heat. I will use these apples in a sandwich recipe that I will be posting soon. So the caramelization is going to be depending on what you're going to be making. But for me, this is perfect. See, and they keep their shape. They are perfectly caramelized for my recipe. So I added a little bit of black pepper to taste. And check out my next video on how to caramelize pears and my pear and ham pizza. Chaito.